It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so we got old GoPro. It's recording here. Okay, so we got a heat gun here. We got this replacement lens used. First, what we're gonna want to do, because when you seal it, you're probably not gonna want to reopen it. So, what we're gonna do. I don't have really any gloves, so I'm gonna make sure the inside is sparkling clean. No fingerprints, no hairs, no nothing. Probably won't notice it in the video, but we always go for quality. So I just have a standard screen cleaner. Lens cleaner.
What? Who is...
Okay, let's make sure. So first, I do need a section. But this is my lunch period. Okay, so what we're going to do, we want to be careful not to melt the plastic. Got this heat gun set to, right now it's at 350 degrees Celsius or so. It should be plenty, but this may just let me do it like that, but in case we're going to, of course, want to get under it. Now it's this is not looking very professional at the moment. Don't really care. Being careful not to scratch the internal lens. Just removing this thing. Trying to leave the adhesive. We don't care about this lens anymore. So we're going to want to take it completely out. So we're going to clean this out. Probably going to get glass stuck in my fingers. Wear gloves, kids. Now we are cleaning out inside of it. I probably should have brought new adhesive, but I can always do that at home and then use my home heat gun at my dad's. I just don't want to wait until I have to go there to get that stuff. Okay, so we're going to get this and clean off that lens, the inner box, really good. So if we turn it on now, that's clear. You can even leave it like that, but it's not gonna be waterproof, and it's not gonna give you good quality really. I suggest getting compressed air to use, but obviously most of y'all won't have that. Okay, let's double, triple check. Yeah, no, I just got tons of fingerprints on the inside. So, right now we don't care about the external fingerprint stuff. If you bought something I CNC'd from me for doing this, you're probably not going to have this adhesive, so you're going to have to get some, because I'm not going to do it. Sorry, but I don't really have much time to do that stuff. So, put this one on. Fits great, I think. And So we're going to get the heat gun. Now I just need to melt the adhesive back on. So I'm going to get this to push down with, without scratching the lens hopefully. You want to push down while it seals. And there you have a working GoPro with a new lens. Yay! It's looking pretty good. I just kind of want to test one's going to come out. There's some stuff in there. I'm in a rush, so yes, there is stuff on the inside. I did not clean it out enough. If you're doing this, make sure to do that. It's not going to bother me. It might bother some of y'all. Most of my shots are fast moving and you won't notice a difference. I don't think you will. Yeah, you can't tell, really. Although my vibrations is what my flying will. Yeah, it's a little wobbly, so. And I want to melt the adhesive again. Push down, hold. Careful not to crack. Don't push too hard. You don't need an insane amount of force. I'm not an expert on the topic. I'm pretty sure I'm the first person on the internet to do this replacement. So, it's kind of ridiculous GoPro did this, and I am not investing in a new GoPro. Seems to be in focus and working just fine. Should have cleaned the internals a little more, I think, but probably gonna seal the outside of this so the lens doesn't fall off mid-flight, or the glass doesn't fall off mid-flight. Wouldn't want that happening. And boom, we are done. I got some measurements, so if any of y'all need one, I could print one off for you. And we are done here. So, thanks for watching. Hope y'all were successful in doing that. And I will show you some footage of what it looks like now. Now I don't have a big crack down the screen.